Meaning of choice. Choice means the act of selecting or deciding between two or more options. It can also refer to the option that is selected. 10 example sentences with choice. 1. You have to make a choice between tea and coffee. 2. She made the right choice by studying abroad. 3. This restaurant has a wide choice of dishes. 4. It was a difficult choice, but I had to decide. 5. You always have a choice, never forget that. 6. His choice of words was very polite. 7. They gave us no choice but to leave. 8. I think you made a poor choice. 9. The dress was her own choice. 10. Freedom of choice is important in a democracy.